I've made yogurt before, and we're going to make yogurt today, but before I used just yogurt from the store, and I cultured it. But the problem with that is you kind of get all the chemicals and stuff from the store-bought yogurt. So I had an opportunity to review this pure acidophilus starter culture from, what's it called, Natural Probiotic from www.yogurtathome. $4.50 on Amazon Prime, so no shipping, so it's $4.50. Gets you 3 freeze-dried live the Actobacter, what's it called? Acidophilus bacteria to make yogurt. Each one of these starter packs works for a liter of milk, and I've got a liter of milk here in the pot. Okay, liter of milk in the pot. If you don't work on liters because you're a good American, that's 4.2225 something cups. So I've got 4 1/4 cups in my pot. On each freeze-dried container, it's got the instructions. It comes with instructions. And for people that are high technology, it's got the little QR codes you can hit with your smartphone or your Android or iPhone, whatever, and it'll go to YouTube videos and instructions. And it comes with PDF instructions, PDF comic, PDF frequently asked questions. So these guys really don't leave you in a lurch, but it's not hard. Okay, all you really do is boil your liter of milk and cool it down to about 45 degrees Celsius. Add the packet, stir it very well, cover it up. I'm going to put it in this crock pot. Put it all up in towels and everything because you want to let it sit with some heat. I'm going to put it in towels and throw it in the oven, which means we can't use the oven. And for the first use, you need to let it sit for about 12 hours. But if I then use this yogurt to make more yogurt, because you could do that continuously, right? I could use this yogurt, eat some, leave a little bit, make some more, eat it, leave a little bit, make some more. It's only about 5 hours after the first activation, because this is live, but it is dormant. It's freeze-dried, so it takes longer the first time. So that being said, I'm just going to boil this, and we're going to come back once it has cooled down. Now, when you boil milk, you got to be careful to stir it and watch it so it doesn't scald or burn. My regular plain yogurt did not come out like it was supposed to. It just didn't mesh. That's not the mix's fault. That was my try to heat it, try something new. Even though the instructions said do not try anything new till you make this work, right? But what I did is I poured some in a mason jar, and I think this got the majority of the starter, the culture. And then when I put it in the oven, I didn't wrap it like I was supposed to. I took the easy way out, and then I would just come in every hour or so, turn the oven on. When the temperature got to about 110, I would turn the oven off. And the temperature did not stay like it was supposed to long enough for this to set. But that's not their fault. That was my fault. But the yogurt that I poured into the mason jar, and I put some of these Valley Food Storage dehydrated fruits in, that turned out not bad. So what I probably ought to do is put this in a strainer bag and make me some Greek yogurt. All right, so I got me a little fruity yogurt.
Dad, there's some salt everywhere down here.
Mm-hmm. You want some?
No, I'm fine.
You want? Nobody wants any.
Because we're bored.
But it's good fruity yogurt.
Yep, I know. I'm going to be out for a little bit.
Okay. So, if you make yogurt, the temperature of the bacteria setting is very important. Don't be playing with it. But when you let it sit, take the dehydrated fruit and drop in here. When it sets, make fruity yogurt, which is good, tastes good. Even though nobody wants to try any with me, it makes me sad. But anyway, $4 for a 3-pack of freeze-dried live bacteria works real good, especially when I can take this, mix in with some fresh milk, and basically have yogurt forever based upon my one culture. So $4 with prime shipping, that is not bad at all. Thanks.